Ladies and gentlemen, it is another beautiful day here in Battle Creek, Michigan. I'm sitting on my porch and hanging out, and it's about 55 degrees, sunshine. The sun feels good out here on the porch. It's a little cool. I thought I'd come hang out on the porch for a little bit, see if I could catch some motorcycles and some sweet Mopar cars going by. Maybe catch a beautiful bird. There's a nice looking Journey, Dodge Journey. We got one cool car that went by already, the Journey. That's about it. The rest of it's all junk. Neighbor drives a Chevy. That's a piece of junk car. There's another Dodge Journey. It looks like somebody from our church. We got a lady at our church drives a Journey like that. Ooh, that Dodge Ram sweet. Hanging out. Oh, over there. That guy, I hope he ain't too. Hope he's gonna be nice. Try to get my foot to heal up. It's wrapped in the band-aid. Hurting like crazy today. Just, man, I get tired of it hurting. I've been laid up all day long in bed, keeping the foot up in the air. Cause that mom iced it and still kept on hurting. I took ibuprofen 800 to calm it down some. I'm just tired of it hurting. I want to be healed up, and it's taking too long. Well, guys, we had two loud booms here in this area just recently. I don't know what them sounds was. I was guessing that there's the military practicing grenade launching or something. What is it? Semi? Ooh, that's a Chrysler 300. It's pretty. Yeah, I'm not even pulling the phone up because the rest of it's junk coming by. Stupid cars. I just leave it right here until I wonder where all the birds are at. There's no birds out here today. It's such a beautiful day. Tomorrow's supposed to be in the 60s, mid-60s. Ooh, Dodge Ram, beauty. 2 in a row. Woo! Can't beat that. Hey, some beauties. Dodge Ram. That's a Ford. Rams are cool. There's an airplane up there, way up in the sky. Got behind a tree, can't see it now. I lost it. I'll keep my camera ready for any cool stuff. There's another Durango. Ugh, Toyota Tundra, yuck. That's stupid stuff coming by. Lincoln Navigator and a Buick. I don't know what they call it. SUV vehicles a Buick makes. Whatever they are, they're ugly too. Man. Chevy truck. Yuck. What a beautiful day that God has made. He has made a beautiful day. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. There's a older Dakota. I don't care for that style of Dakota. There's a Jeep. White Jeep. That's about it. Them other cars ain't worth following. They're junk. That's a Chrysler car. A little Chrysler car, like one of our ladies in the church. She drives one of them. It's a pretty cool little car. Pontiac. It ain't worth picking the phone up and filming it. Oh, look at this yellow Ram, Dodge Ram. That is a cool Dodge Ram. I like yellow. Green, yellow, and white. Penfield colors. Oh, Penfield Panther. I like dump trucks. I've always been a big dump truck fan. It don't matter what it is, as long as it's a dump truck. I like them. Chevy, Ford, Dodge, who cares? International. Dump trucks are cool. All dump trucks are cool. Chevy truck running across the middle line. You can hear when it hit the, you hear the rubbing noise. That's across there in the middle line and not in the lane. Don't know how to stay within the lines. That means I need to go take some more driver's training. Or get off the phone or stop texting, one of the three. That's probably what they're doing. Another big semi. Semis are cool. I like semis too. White Dodge Ram. Big truck. Dodge Ram. Chrysler Town and Country. Another semi. Might be a little bit cool for a lot of people for riding. Another semi. This road has got the semis coming by. We got Arlene's truck stop right down there, and plus we got the Fort Custer factories just down the road. About 4 miles and you're into some factories. And there's a bunch of them. So that's why there's a lot of trucks on this road. Then I-94 is just up the road. Where Shell gas station's over there, and looks like gas is $2.19 a gallon today. They raised it up. Another big truck. It'd be cool to be a truck driver. I wish I wasn't physically disabled. And I wish I had more smarts. It's just so bad. When you're not physically disabled, when you're physically disabled, you don't have a lot of smarts, people don't care for you. Some that are doing good in life that used to be your friends, that they just write you off after they get so far because you're not, quote, in their category as a person, unquote. You're not their friend no more because of that. I just don't agree with that. I believe you should love everybody. I believe you should be friends with everybody. Well, maybe they're right to extent. Oh. Because in my home, I live weird. I like stuff and I don't like stuff. I like a lot of preaching and gospel music, stuff like that. A little bit of Christian shows. We watch a little bit of Grizzly Adams shows, stuff like that. Good shows. We'll load up some Little House on the Prairie. We watch some Highway to Heaven, stuff like that. That's about it. Once in a while, Mostly Jeff Arnold, Raymond Woodward, Lee Stonekey, and Tamage French. That's my main 4 preachers I listen to. And I've been listening to a lot of Johnny James lately. He's pretty cool. Yeah, I listen to a little bit of Matt Maddox. Like I think I got two of his I watched once in a great while. Jeff Arnold is the best, man. He's the best preacher. I love Jeff Arnold. Some of his old stuff. Wow. Yeah, I didn't get no motorcycles in this first 5 minutes. I'll shut this off. Start me another one.